Want to know how to make Shortwave manage or organize your inbox? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and only 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Shortwave website or the application itself. So we have also created some videos regarding Shortwave, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now on the top left side, you should be seeing this star icon right here, which should open up your chat, just simply like that. And here you should be seeing your chat box popping up by default. So we have also created similar videos regarding chat box on how to start them and how to create a new chat as well, so make sure to watch it. So now since we are organizing our inbox, you can just simply sometimes see organize my inbox right here. So if you don't see it, you can just simply type in organize my inbox under the chat and then select enter. Now once that is on, it should help you organize your inboxes by removing any automatic ones. So just simply like mark done, and it should think more, and it should also get critical emails. So just simply like star right here in order to start them or skip them as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily make them manage your inboxes. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.